Hi, this is Mike Townsend at Golden Artist Colors, and we're here to talk about airbrushing the products. The first thing we're going to talk about is the fluid acrylics. These paints have been around since the 80s, and ever since we've had them, people have been spraying them. If you thin with water, it's going to reduce the pigment load, and it's not going to spray that great, which is why we developed a product called Airbrush Medium. Thinning paint improves flow and leveling and reduces clogging. Airbrush Medium improves all three of these attributes. So while mixing fluid acrylics with Airbrush Medium works really well, it does cut the pigment load in half. Now the heavy body acrylics can also be sprayed, but it will require much more thinning, and that's going to result in a weaker, more transparent color. The newest Golden paint line, the high flow acrylics, are ready to spray for most applications. They can be modified with Golden Airbrush Medium or the Golden Transparent Airbrush Extender. The ink-like consistency of the high flow colors means that they can be sprayed directly from the container, giving you brilliant color and better opacity than thinned down paints. As you can see in this image, the heavy body on the left requires the most thinning, diluting the color. The fluid acrylic requires less thinning and is more opaque, while the high flow on the right requires no thinning and is the most saturated and opaque. Artist paints are formulated with a high variety of pigments. Some are very tiny and uniform and spray readily, while others are large, gritty particles that may not be suitable in equipment with nozzles smaller than 0.5 millimeters. This graphic shows what happens when spraying a mineral-based earth color. The particle size varies, and as more paint is sprayed, the largest of these particles begin to get trapped in the nozzle, eventually causing spray failure. You can either switch to a larger nozzle, or you can use a similar color with a finer pigment. So whichever Golden paint you decide to spray, look to these key elements to improve the sprayability. For more information, visit goldenpaints.com. Thanks for watching.